Allah the Exalted says, they swear by Allah. And Allah's saying is, then, O beloved, they come to you swearing by Allah that our object was kindness and conquered only. And they swear by Allah that they are from amongst you. And they swear by Allah so that you may be pleased. Then they both swear by Allah that our evidence is more upright than the evidence of those two. It is said, Billahi wa tallahi wa wallahi. And the Prophet ﷺ said, whosoever takes a false oath after Asr, and one must not swear by anyone save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Hazrat Talha bin Ubaidullah says, a man came to Allah's Apostle ﷺ and he was asking about Islam. Thus Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, 5 prayers daily during the day and night. He submitted, is anything else except these prayers enjoined on me? He ﷺ said, no, but whatever you do willingly. Then Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, fasting in the month of Ramadan. He submitted, is anything else except these fasting enjoined on me? He ﷺ said, no, but whatever you do with your willingness. The reporter says that Allah's Apostle ﷺ mentioned zakat, poor due to him. He submitted, is anything else enjoined on me? He ﷺ said, no, but what you do voluntarily. Then that man turned, and while going he was saying, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will neither increase nor decrease it. Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, if he speaks the truth, he will be successful. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2678.